My name is Evan Russell. I'm a real estate broker in Boston, Massachusetts. I've owned my own real estate company for just over 10 years. While I was developing my real estate company, deciding that I wanted to become an independent broker, I met Coach Dean through Colonel Leadership Council. Obviously, Colonel DeCibio has been a great part in implementing my strategy, my business plan, my ability to work with others, and other leadership coaching. So my purpose for the testimonial here is there is very few options for leadership coaching. There's many sales trainings, there are many sales opportunities, there's sales coaches, there's all that extracurricular kind of stuff. But at the end of the day, at the leadership level, they say it's lonely at the top. At the leadership level, there are very few options for an entrepreneur, a CEO, a head coach, the head of whatever your organization is. There's very few options out there to get the coaching and the guidance that you need. And I'm not talking about, you make your 10 phone calls and let me know how it is. Colonel DeCibio has actually helped me through, this is how I'm dealing with an employee, this is the leadership aspect of it, dissecting the issue or the problem and figuring out a great way to resolve the issue or lead your group by example. I have 43 agents on my roster. I have 3 staff members. So dealing with conflict, dealing with leadership skills, creating a path that people want to follow is difficult, and it does, require some coaching. Colonel DeCibio and the Colonel Leadership Council is awesome at that. Again, I can't stress enough, I've worked with Dean over 10 years. He's become a close personal friend of mine. We talk almost every week, and even in our talking, it's coaching, because we're talking about what's happened in my day, my successes, my failures, my goods and my bads, and Colonel DeCibio helps me through all that. So I can't recommend Colonel Leadership Council enough. I hope this helped you, and I'll catch you guys later.